Yes. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shanmugraj. Today we're continuing our journey on SAFE. Today we're going to discuss about a clinical overview on value streams. Yesterday we talked about how did we initiate or create value streams and all. Today I thought of it's a good idea to talk about what is a value stream, what is the need for us, what are the different types of value stream we have it, and what are the different kind of mods we can build within the value stream. This particular picture talks about an anatomy of a value stream. You need to have a trigger. Actually, the value stream is the primary construct for understanding, organizing, and delivering value in SAFE. Actually, right? So, if at all you want to implement SAFE in an organization or some kind of a lean or Kanban system in your organization, value stream is the primary construct for understanding, organizing, and delivering value. That means the way you understand, the way you organize and deliver your what products, this has business outcomes in it, which can identify as a value to customer. You need to construct a value stream. Value stream is kind of a set of activities from start to end. Like, for example, if you're ordering a four-wheeler like Audi or Mercedes-Benz or something, moment you order and the entire process of manufacturing, the sequence of activities till you get the car, that entire set of activities you can put into one value stream. That is kind of a primary construct of understanding how the manufacturing of a car as a value stream is happening. That's one example. You need to have a trigger actually. So trigger is nothing but booking a car, right? Initiating a purchase order. That's a trigger, right? Or application for a home loan. It's a trigger. Then you have a set of activities like evaluation, customer profile, uh, your CRISIL rating, all these things will come into picture till you get the loan, right? So those are the steps that you take to accomplish that feat, right? You might have, number of steps to achieve your final destination, to attain your value, right? So every value stream should produce some kind of a value to customers. You need to involve people and systems. You need to talk about the flow of information and materials. Then there's something called lead time. The time from the trigger to the delivery of value is the lead time. Simple as that. Shortening the lead time reduces the time to market. The easiest way to shorten the lead time is to identify, reduce non-valid activities and wasteful delays. That's a primary focus of lean thinking. There are two types of value streams. Generally, we'll talk about it. The first one is operational value stream, which is in a business context. The sequence of activities needed to deliver a product or service to customer. Simple, right? Operational value stream is it's all about providing a service or product to customer with set of sequence of activities. The examples include manufacturing a product like manufacturing a car, right? Fulfilling a service or providing a loan, right? It's something. These are some of the examples of operational value stream. There's another set of value stream we can call that as a development value stream. The sequence of activities needed to convert that business hypothesis into a technology-enabled solution that delivers customer value, right? So for that operational value stream, you need to have set of business systems to be created. You need to have a development value stream to build that business systems which is supporting our operational value stream, right? The examples of development value stream including, deploying, developing and deploying a CRM system, developing a medical device, developing an e-commerce website. All these things are examples of development value stream. This e-commerce website or CRM system will help, in terms of a loan cycle, right? Operations of fulfillment, operations of loan will act. These systems will be used. The next step is to identify the types of operational value streams. We talked about operational value streams and development value streams. Operational value stream is the primary construct of the way you do the business, or way you deliver a different set of values or different set of services to customer. You might have banking customer, you have a credit card customer, you might have loan customer. So different kind of services, class of services you can use. You can construct your value stream according to that. The first type of operational value stream is a fulfillment operational value stream. Example is value stream for a consumer loan. You want to fulfill the request made by the customer for a need of his loan or her loan, right? The second thing is manufacturing operational value stream for a vehicle. As I told you, an example of booking a car in Maruti Suzuki or Hyundai or Audi or Volvo. The set of activities, the sequence of activities, the between order received and order delivered, right? That's a manufacturing value stream. Third type of operation value stream is a software product operation value stream. Specifically for building software product and delivering value to a software product. The final one is supporting operation value stream. Which is value stream which is supporting your fulfillment operational or manufacturing operational streams. Here they are talking about audit as one of the operational value stream which is supporting the certain activities or enabling things of the regular business, right? This is the example of an operational stream for a loan fulfillment operational value stream. Look at that, a bank has three types of businesses: consumer banking, corporate banking, and capital markets. Under consumer banking, you have three value streams like cards, banking, and loans. Every value stream cut across different LOBs and services, right? So you need to sequence their activities, depends on your value stream, the service you are supporting. The interaction of different services and different departments will vary. So this is a good example of operation stream of for a loan, consumer loan actually. Let's look at value stream definition template as well. This template can be used to further elaborate and understand the characteristics of identified operational value stream. Right? So these kind of templates you can use to further elaborate and get a better understanding about for the identified operational value stream. This could be where you want to define a value stream. This template can be used. There are 7 or 8 parameters being defined as part of the template, like type, fulfillment operational value stream, name, consumer loans, description, provides customers with unsecured and secured loans, customer, existing retail customer. Trigger, the customer wants to borrow money and approaches the bank through any of the existing channels. This is the trigger, right? Value received to enterprise, repayment plus interest. Value received to customer is a loan, right? So this is the simplest example of how we can define a value stream with a template like this, which will give a better understanding, much more extensive information about it. Finally, let's look at how do we split a large solution train into multiple arts. You can construct different types of arts within the large value streams. You can construct streamlined team, streamlined art. Streamlined art are nothing but the team organized around the flow of the work that has the ability to deliver value directly to the customer or end user. Complicated, you can construct a complicated subsystem team where it talks about specific subsystems that require a deep specialty skills and expertise. You can construct a piece of artificial intelligence and machine learning as a subsystem for your value stream, right? So for example, let's say you are building a large solution, banking, let's say it's a consumer banking. So consumer banking might have loan, credit card, as a streamlined art. It can have an AI engine with a machine learning in it as a complicated subsystem art. And you can place an architecture art in it, a platform art where that supposed this particular team or this particular art supporting the development and the support of the platforms that provide services to other teams. And you can have enabling team as well. Enable art, you can have that, something like your auditing related or your business support, those kind of things, or some kind of community of practice which helps them as right, so that you can do that. So this is one good examples of these kind of topologies can be really extended to make right trade-offs in our design. So as part of the solution train, so you can do a different topologies. You can construct a different types of multiple arts within a solution train, solution value stream, right? So with that, we have come to a conclusion of today's video. I hope you got a very nice idea about what is a value stream, what are the different types of value stream, what are the different types of operational value streams, how do I construct it, how do I define the templates, and how do I define multiple arts within that value stream, right? For identifying the value streams and arts, you need to understand the value stream. That is the reason I given a specific video about what is a value stream and how do you build it, how do you construct it, with the easiest example available from Scaled Agile framework, right? So with that, I would like to sign off and I would like to listen from your ideas and improvements on my content and delivery, right? Hope you like this video. Continue to seeing you in further videos as well. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.